Hi, hello learners. Today I am starting series on Python with Selenium, one of the automation tool used in current industry. So I will be teaching the how to develop Python scripts using Selenium scripts with Python. So we have Java with Selenium also available. Over this Python have some advantages. So in this playlist we will see how to build the end-to-end Selenium scripts with Python, and we will continuously deploy using Jenkins. We will do CI/CD with these automation scripts. So in every project development cycle, automation is using, which is very faster execution, feasibility, result oriented, life cycle testing easy when it comes to automation. So why Python over Java? So we will have few advantages of Python with Selenium over Java. Python data structures are more flexible. It is trivial to create dictionary with tuples as keys and list as values. So, and also it is easy to code and easy to read. Runs rapidly when comparing to other programming languages. So it is a vibrant in nature. So the Python APIs which is developed in Python, so it is easy to binding to the Selenium drivers, web drivers. You can develop your custom APIs. You can use your existing builds and you can develop with your custom APIs, and you can run in CI/CD mode. Along with all the above reasons, the support using Selenium with Python. Another major reason for using Selenium with Python is various tools present to extend this functionality, whatever the rich reporting structure at the end of your function execution, life cycle execution of this automation. So you can extend these functionalities with a rich reporting, which rich life cycle. So this is the things we will see. So before learning Selenium scripting, we will learn few basic Python, which is required to learn Selenium, which is required to code. So as you see here, sample Selenium code with Python. So here if you observe in Python, you no need to follow any syntax. That means you have to follow the indentation properly. So like in Java, we have to follow proper syntax, semicolon, comma, everything we need to care. So in Python, we no need to follow. We have to follow only indentation. We will see these things. What is driver dot find element by name? These things, and what is the driver dot title, keys written. So these things we will see in later sections. Before dive into Selenium, we will learn few basic things which is required to code in Selenium scripting. So we will see some sample list operations. We will see sample list operations, dictionary operations, and string handling, how to handle strings in Python. And we have different libraries for handling these dictionaries and strings. And we will see some file operations like how to read the data from JSON, XMLs, and finally we will see the OOPS concept, which is required to develop the uh, scripts, and which is required to develop any frameworks based on the OOPS concepts. And finally, after all these basic things, we will start the Selenium scripting for one website end to end. We will build end to end website with the Selenium scripts. After that, we will deploy these things into our CI/CD mode. We will use Jenkins as a tool to deploy, I mean, to execute this is in a batch mode in CI/CD executions. We will schedule the jobs, everything. So these things we will learn this entire playlist series. So friends, please follow this channel, please subscribe and share to your friends, which is useful for them to learn new things and how the automation is working in current industry, how to write the Selenium scripts, what are all the new libraries coming in present Selenium. We have rich libraries in Selenium nowadays. So thanks for watching this channel. Please subscribe, do share. Thank you all.